In the recent past, red velvet cakes and cupcakes have just exploded. The slightly sour, chocolatey sponge with a luscious cream cheese frosting hits all the right notes. Since we all love ourselves a good red velvet, I thought I will try my hand at a red velvet ice cream. The ice cream base has all the flavor of a red velvet cake, and then we swirl in that delicious cream cheese icing so you get all the best bits of your favorite red velvet cake. This recipe is from the Hummingbird Bakery Cookbook, which is only one of my two favorite bakeries ever. But just a little warning, this recipe requires an ice cream churner. We start off by making the custard. In a large bowl, start heating your cream, sugar, and cocoa powder while whisking gently to mix. Let this heat up, but don't let it come to a boil. While the cream is heating up, start whisking together your egg yolks and sugar until it's very pale in color and has doubled in volume. Slowly pour in a cup or two of the hot cream while whisking the eggs on a low speed. This will help temper your eggs. This is essentially bringing your eggs up to the same temperature as the hot cream so that the eggs don't curdle when you add in the rest of your hot cream mixture. Pour this back into the saucepan and heat again while stirring. Do this on a low heat until you can coat the back of a spoon. Strain this out into a bowl to get rid of any cooked egg bits or lumps of cocoa. We then add in the buttermilk. The buttermilk is key to a good red velvet. The science behind it is that the way the acidity of the buttermilk reacts with the cocoa powder creates a brick reddish color. But of course, we add a little bit of red food coloring just to bring home that red color and to make it a lot prettier to the eye. Once the buttermilk, vanilla, and red coloring is whisked into your custard, cover with some cling film and pop it in the fridge for at least 4 hours to chill. Make sure the cling is touching the surface of your custard. This will stop it from forming a skin while chilling. While your custard is chilling, make your cream cheese topping. Simply beat together cream cheese, butter, icing sugar with a dash of vanilla until it's smooth and creamy. Make sure to give it a mix with a rubber spatula in between adding the icing sugar to make sure there are no lumps. Spoon it into a piping bag and put this in the fridge to set as well. Your red velvet ice cream custard will take about 4 hours to chill completely. You can leave it in for longer or even overnight, but make sure it's fully chilled before you start to churn the ice cream. I'm using a KitchenAid ice cream bowl and attachment to churn my ice cream. You have to freeze the bowl for about 20 hours before you can start churning. And it takes about half an hour to turn your ice cream mixture into a creamy, rich ice cream. Once the ice cream mixture has doubled in size, we can start layering on that ice cream and cream cheese. At this point, the ice cream will be very soft, almost like a soft serve consistency. Spoon in some of that red velvet ice cream to cover the bottom of your dish and then pipe on some of that cream cheese. Repeat this until you are done with all of your ice cream. Make sure to leave some cream cheese for the top. Using a knife or spatula, just swirl that cream cheese around. Pop this into the freezer for a few hours to set, and there you go. That's my homemade red velvet and cream cheese ice cream. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel Arubakes. See you in the next video. Bye!